This is a really requested tool. I get asked this all the time. How do we color the body parts? How do we make it look cool? I'm going to teach you on this tutorial right now so you can have your designs look like this. Actually, this is the design right here, when we're actually designing it. But you can click and go down to the render, and the computer actually kind of like smooths it out and puts lighting in it and makes it look a little bit better. And you're going to use this on all your projects when you design. You can create them in Fusion 360 and color them, and it'll look really nice. Here's another example of a rendered hexagonal box. I think here's the design itself. And so here we go. It's really pretty simple. Here's a box, a lid, and the knob that you've probably seen before. I'm going to go to the modify because we're going to modify an existing body, and we're going to click on appearance. Now you can change the physical material, and that will change its appearance. But right now we're just working with the appearance of the body. It's easier to work with and less confusing. So just click on that. Up comes a dialog box. Okay. If your dialog box is over here or you can't see some parts of it, just grab the corner and make it bigger. Okay. So I've already opened the plastic, but there are lots of different types of materials that you can put in there. The default is steel satin, so these bodies are all steel satin, so that's why they're that gray color. I'm going to go ahead and click on plastic because we want to kind of replicate plastic, and you can see there's a few different choices in here. ABS is a type of 3D printing. I think we need to get PLA in here, but right now I'm just going to use ABS. I'm just going to bring it up here and drop it in this design. Now here's what you need to do in order to have multiple colors. If you click control and then click on this ABS white and just hit duplicate. And since I've got three colors I want to use, I'm going to duplicate that two more times. So just control, click, and duplicate. Oh, I've got way too many now. All right. Now if you just double click on any one of these, like this one, up comes a color palette, and you can decide what color you want. So I want a red. Click done, and then I'm double click on this. I want a white. Click done. Well, it's already white. It's a little off white. Double click on this, and let's go for green. Let's go for something a little exciting. All right. So very simple. Just choose the colors you want, and then you can just drag and drop. Try that again. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. You also can, I think you can click. You can drag it over to the actual word and drop it on there too as well, in case some of your bodies are too close together. So I'm going to try this, and green. Wow, that's going to be, that looks so good. So just close that when you're done. You can click on design and then go to render, and you can kind of look at the rendered version. Right now I have my sketches on. I'm going to turn those off, and I'm going to turn my origins off so I can just see that. Can I move this back on top of hit OK, click M for move. Let's move that back. I think it's right there. Hit OK. Wow. Wow. That looks amazing. So there you go. Fusion 360, modify appearance, duplicate the material, and then just change the colors as needed and drag them to the bodies or to the name of the body. Thank you very much for watching, and have happy designing.